Okay, in this video we will solve this inequality. Absolute of 3x plus 10 divided by 11 less or equal to 7. So by the definition of absolute, we can do like minus 7 less or equal to 3x plus 10 divided by 11 and less or equal to 7. Now we have two parts of this inequality, the less than part, less or equal to this one and this one. We will solve them separately. So minus 7 less or equal to 3x plus 10 divided by 11, and this equal to minus 77 less or equal to 3x plus 10. So minus 77 minus 10 less or equal to 3x. Okay, so that becomes minus 87 less or equal to 3x. So we divide both sides by 3. So here it becomes minus 2 and 9 less or equal to x. Then we solve the right part, which is 3x plus 10 divided by 11 less or equal to 7. 3x plus 10 less or equal to, we multiply this inequality both sides by 11, so it becomes 77. Then 3x plus 10, sorry, so here it is now 3x less or equal to 77 minus 10, so 3x less or equal to 67, and x is less or equal to 67 by 3. Now if we combine these two inequalities, this one and this one, so minus 29 less or equal to x less or equal to 67 by 3. So this is the range of x, which is these